You know there's an easier way to do that. I said there's an easier way to do that. This is the Fanttik S100 APEX tire inflator. Let's start with its packaging. It comes in a really nice cloth bag. Inside of that bag, there is another smaller bag, and that's used to hold your manual, and also you can put in there the accessories. It comes with a charging cord. It has a sports ball inflator, and it also has an adapter that changes from Schrader to press the valves. And this is the inflation hose, and it simply hooks right here by screwing it in. Just twist it around, beating up the camera. There we go. And it's attached. And as you can see, this end right here is set up for Schrader valves. That didn't go as easily as I had planned. Let's see if we can figure out how this operates. First, the middle button, push and hold for about 3 seconds, and it turns on. It also has 4 modes. The first mode, if I push this button here, is for cars, and it's set at 36 pounds of pressure, PSI. And if I want to increase that, all I do is push the plus button, and it goes up. And if I want to return it or go lower, I push the down button. If I want to go to the next mode, which is motorcycles, and it operates the same way, up in pressure, down in pressure. The one I use most often is bicycles, and I have it set for 45. That's for Mrs. G's bicycle, but if I want to run it up, I just push it up to whatever pressure I would like, and it will run and stop at that pressure. And there's one more, and that is for your sports balls, and you can use the needle for that. And that's how you start it. Push the button in the middle, and off she goes. Now, if I want to change from a Schrader valve to a Presta valve, all I have to do is just screw this on to the end like this. It's that simple. And if I want to inflate a sports ball, it's that simple. I don't think I've mentioned that it also has a flashlight, and that's that button right there. Push it, flashlight comes on. A little hard to see in the daylight. And if you have an emergency situation, we have a blinker light. SOS. Pretty handy if it's dark out and you're trying to inflate your tire. All right, enough of this. Let's go outside and see if we can't get this thing to inflate a tire. We have a Presta valve here, so we're just going to open this up. And what we're going to have to do, since this is for a Schrader valve, I'm going to put the little adapter on there. Screw it on. And then all we do is screw it on to the valve. Hold for 3 seconds. I'm going to go over to bicycle. Now, as you can see, it's 45 pounds, but in this bike, I'm going to put 65. So I'm just going to crank it up to 65. And I hit the start button. And it's inflating the tire. "65 pounds of pressure," and it stops. All we have to do then is just unhook it, unscrew it. That didn't go as easily as I had planned. Sometimes I think this is the hardest part. Tighten this up, and don't forget, put that cute little valve cover on there. Very nice. And we're done. Let's go ahead and inflate this basketball. Take off the Presta adapter. We'll put on the needle. And it says inflate to 7 to 9 pounds, so we'll just go to 7. Always wet the needle. Insert it in. And in this case, we're going to toggle over to, oops, missed it. I'm going to toggle over to the basketball. We're going to go up to, oops, we'll go down to 7 pounds. Hit the button. And we're done. Okay, this is Mrs. G's bike, and she has Schrader valves. So I don't have to do anything now. All I have to do is put it on. Pretty tight space back here, so. Toggle back over to bicycle. And I think her rear tire is 60, so we're going to just do 60. And we hit it. And she shuts off. And we're good to go. Valve cover. And if I want to charge it, well, you know the routine. Uh-oh, I forgot to put that in there. Things don't always go the way I intend them to go. Anyway, this is one kind of inflation I really don't mind. Thanks for watching. What's Up with Richard?